Hello, my absinthe-minded friends. I talk for once. We're going to mess around with some absinthe. It's on brand, isn't it? So, first on our left, we have Ordinaire, also known as the absinthe that's always in the bloody videos. And then we have the house brand, also known as absinthe that doesn't look quite right, because one of these has a lot of wormwood in it, and one of these has a whole heck of a lot of other things in it. Mostly anise. And then some other stuff. So as you can see, the two of them are inherently different. And I wonder if they both do the effect when I add water. That's not even a phone. Hello? We entered a contest? I mean, yeah, it sounds like us. With Dragon Glass? You're saying we won? Yeah, okay. I can do that. When's it appearing? Ah, I see. There's a package. They can call bananas now. So yeah, this is our first unboxing? Unbagging? Dragon Glass reached out to us over Insta-Face, one of those, and determined that we had won a contest, which we totally entered. I think we actually legitimately entered it. I just don't think we were trying to. We totally entered it and we totally won. Totally. So we have this lovely package here. We have no idea what is in this other than it will be a dragon glass of some kind. Only one way to find out what it is. Warning, this will be graphic. And this is what we got. 2 crescent tumblers. So, kind of still a lowball-like thing, I guess, but very, 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 very different looking. Now what in the world am I going to put in this? Well, I mean, not bubble wrap. Maybe not bubble wrap. That is majestic. Now I can talk. And yeah, more Dragon Glassware. We got to make a cocktail in this.